Hello there, this is John. Wanna learn about guidelines for navigating UI? Let's get started. So, what is navigation in user interface? Navigations are the maps or direction of a website. Think it as a vehicle that usually gets user deeper into the site where they want to go. When it comes to usability, ease of navigation should be the top priority for the web developers. So, what does navigation actually answer to the user? Here is the answer. When user is in the web page, navigation answers the certain question of the user like where am I? How did I get here? What is happening? What can I do next? How do I get there? And what can I do? Now, let's talk about the navigation techniques. First, link navigation. In link navigation, link color and text plays a vital role for the user usability. We have two categories of link, default unvisited link and visited link. Default unvisited link are generally blue in color with underline or hover effect. Meanwhile, visited link looks different and less saturated than unvisited link. Secondly, we have breadcrumb. Breadcrumb usually tells user which page they are in and from where they got there. It also gives a user a sense of organization of site structure. It also allows the user to trace their way back through the hierarchy of site. Now third is tabbed navigation. Tabbed navigation systems are good for usability. They give the visual clues to the user and they provide them a detailed information what section they are in. Now the fourth is sitemap. In sitemap, one link is placed above the other in hierarchical form. That allows the user to access all the pages. It makes the accessibility for the user much more easier. Finally, we have mega menus. Mega menus work for site navigation. They are displayed in two-dimensional drop-down layout. Navigation choices are structured through layout, typography, and sometimes icons. So all the content are visible at once. So, what guidelines should be followed for making best user navigation? Here they are. Embrace predictability, keep it simple, keep it consistent, don't over minimalism. Now, let's discuss about each of them. Embrace predictability. Being creative with your website is nice, but don't practice this in areas where predictability may not be preferred over uniqueness. This will create confusion in navigation. Keep it simple. Navigation should address non-technical audience. It should go hand in hand with predictability. Simple example is using drop-down menus rather than drop-down with hover. Don't over minimalism. Recently, minimalism has caught on and everyone seems to be reducing content, which is great, but in some cases, designers overdo minimalism, rendering clear and proper navigation useless. Keep it consistent. The theme, structure, and design should be same throughout the site. Clear hierarchical structure. Navigation menus should have clear hierarchical structure with every category and clickable subcategories included in the menu. Make it manageable. For it, always use breadcrumb trails. It tells visitor where they have come from, where they are currently, and where they can go from their current location. Always link the logo to the navigation. It increases the user experience in your site. Providing more than one navigation ensures users to easily navigate through the website from anywhere. In case they have missed a certain navigation type, we can use more navigation options in header and footer for this. Always include search bar in navigation. Search bar make the user interface usable. Today's internet users are prone to search box to find information they are looking for, and it is fast. It makes content in large website easier to find. Well, this is it. So, this is all you need to know about the guidelines of navigation in user interface. Thank you.